So Linus is in Markham, Ontario right now, getting ready for the grand opening, so I decided to come visit his cats and play with them for a little bit. This is Rocket, and he gets pretty excited about the feather, but I think he's confused about which toy he wants right now, the feathers or the fur. Oh, he lost interest in the feathers. Let's see if we can make him jump. Okay, it's right here. Oh, he's getting ready to pounce here. He's wagging his tail. I don't think you can see this, but he acts like a dog when he's trying to catch something. And he's... Come on. Oh! Alright, well that's enough for now. I think I've tortured him quite enough. And he's really playful right now. He just wants to run and see how fast he goes. And he'll even go in circles. See how long we can get him to do this for. Come on. Right here. Okay, and I think he's done.